If you're looking to build a no-code SaaS business without writing a single line of code, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring 11 of the best no-code tools on the market that you can use to build your very own no-code SaaS business. But before we dive into the tools, let's talk about why you should consider using no-code tools in the first place. Firstly, no-code tools allow you to build and iterate quickly, and this agility is crucial when you're trying to build a successful no-code SaaS business, as it allows you to quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. Secondly, no-code tools can be more cost-effective than hiring a developer. This means that you can invest more money into growing your business rather than spending it all on development costs. Now, let's dive into the 11 no-code tools you can use to build your no-code SaaS business. First up, we have website.com, which is linked in the description. It allows you to create simple landing pages and one-page websites without any coding skills. You can use website.com to create landing pages for your SaaS business, personal brand, or any other project. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your website by choosing from a range of pre-designed templates or themes, or creating your very own. Next up, we have Bubble, a no-code platform that allows you to build and launch web applications without any coding skills. You can use Bubble to create anything from simple landing pages to complex SaaS platforms. Bubble provides you a visual programming interface that allows you to design your web application by dragging and dropping different elements such as buttons, text boxes, and images. Agency work allows you to create workflows and automate tasks between different teams, employees, and clients. This is a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their workflows and save time. With agencywork.io, which is linked in the description, you can easily create custom workflows and automate tasks, and can be used for project management, as a CRM, and much more. If you're looking to create mobile apps, Glide is the perfect no-code tool for you. It allows you to create mobile apps using Google Sheets as your database, making it incredibly easy to create and manage mobile apps without any coding skills. With Glide's simple interface, you can add different functionalities to your app, such as user authentication, form submission, and image upload. Webflow is another no-code platform that allows you to create responsive websites, e-commerce stores, and even complex web applications without any coding skills. This is a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to create professional-looking websites and web applications. With Webflow, you can use its visual design tools to create stunning websites and web applications that are fully responsive on different devices. For those of you who want to create mobile apps without any coding skills, Adalo is a fantastic no-code platform that allows you to create mobile apps with a drag and drop interface. Adalo offers a wide range of pre-designed components such as forms, lists, and navigation menus that you can use to build your app quickly and very easily. You can also add custom functionalities to your app by using Adalo's built-in database and external APIs. Zapier is a widely known no-code tool that allows you to automate tasks between different web applications without any coding skills. This is the perfect solution for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their workflows and save time. With Zapier, you can create custom workflows that connect with different web applications such as Gmail, Slack, and Trello. This means you can automate tasks such as sending emails, creating tasks, and updating spreadsheets. Airtable is another no-code platform that allows you to create custom databases without any coding skills. With Airtable, you can organize and manage your data in a way that makes sense for your business, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to create custom databases. If you want to add membership functionality to any website without any coding skills, the perfect no-code solution for you is MemberStack. With MemberStack, you can create membership sites, subscription services, and much more. MemberStack offers easy integration with popular builders like Webflow and Wix, making it simple to add membership functionalities to your existing website or to your new website. Software.io is another no-code platform that allows you to create web applications and websites without any coding skills. With Software.io, you can create anything from simple landing pages to complex web applications without dynamic functionality. Software.io offers a wide range of integration and design tools, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to create professional-looking web applications. Finally, we have Flutterflow, a no-code platform that allows you to create mobile and web applications with a drag-and-drop interface. With Flutterflow, you can create anything from simple mobile apps to complex SaaS platforms. Flutterflow offers a wide range of design and integration tools, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to create mobile and web applications without any coding skills. Each of these no-code tools has its own set of features and capabilities, and choosing the right one for your business will depend on your specific needs and goals. However, they all share the common goal of empowering entrepreneurs to build and launch their own no-code SaaS businesses without needing to write a single line of code. If you are looking to build a no-code SaaS business without writing code, the above mentioned no-code tools provide a great starting point. By using these tools, you can quickly and easily build and launch your own no-code SaaS business while keeping costs low and maximizing your agility and flexibility in response to the changing market conditions and customer needs. If you are interested in starting a no-code SaaS business and want me to build the no-code SaaS business for you, you can fill out the form below in the description mentioning the type of no-code SaaS you want, and my team and I will reach out to you to get you started ASAP.